So what's your name, sir?
Tim Blackmon,
And what company are you with?
and I'm with Comframe Software Corporation.
Okay, great. Well, can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Sure, we are a NSI located in Birmingham, Nashville, and Beijing. We have about 100 people in our company, and we do business all over the world. Software development mostly.
Okay, great. And where are your clients mostly in North America, or are they also global?
We have a global presence, but most of our clients in the U.S. are in the Southeast.
Okay, great. So tell me, what were your thoughts about Windows Azure Platform University today?
It was a good, informative experience. We have experimented with Azure probably 9 months ago as an early adopter, and some of the limitations that we saw that prohibited us moving forward, we're seeing those capabilities start to show up in there, so I'm glad to see that.
Right, as the platform matures very quickly here.
Sure, and that's the real key. I mean, when you go to a client and you wonder, or most of your conversation is saying, no, that's not a good opportunity. No, that's not a good opportunity. Right. It's just it was a tough sell initially. Now that you have reporting services in there and starting to add information integration services as well as, I think, some of the BI components, it's going to be a much easier sell for us.
So given your that you already have Windows Azure platform experience and a practice started, what did you come today hoping to learn?
For me personally, just to be selfish, I wasn't that up to speed on it. So as a part business owner, I just wanted to see what we were getting into. Plus, I wanted to see the roadmap of where the capabilities are coming. So it helps me go back to our business development managers and say, okay, now we're ready to do X, Y, and Z with Azure, rather than them get frustrated and say, well, I don't know what an opportunity is. Okay.
Right. What were a couple of things that stood out for you today that came up or that you learned?
Again, the roadmap and understanding the capabilities that are going to be added, but also it's more than SQL Server. It's more than the OS. You have some storage opportunities that I wasn't aware with, like tag value pairs and things of this nature for very simple applications that could be a great fit. The pricing model is a utility pricing, in which I figured, but it's more of it goes into the application of and charges appropriately on the complexity and the usage. So it's a pay as you kind of go and pay as you use, rather than having to pay for the entire license, the entire setup and hardware, and hopefully you get the most out of it. With this, you always get the most out of it.
Good point. Okay. Yeah, you always get the most out of it.
That's right.
Now, what were your thoughts about the points in the afternoon about building a practice? Were there any things that came up there that you hadn't thought about, or what did you think?
Yeah, we have a couple of our technical resources that are up to speed on SQL Azure. I think they went to the initial Ranger school, or I may be getting my terms wrong, but sure. Initially, and it looks like we probably need to resend since the capabilities have increased. So I'm looking forward to looking at calendars and dates for the 13th and 14th for Atlanta of December to send a couple people to this technical training. So I think that, and also re-educating our BDMs is two of the things we have to do. We have to have our technical prowess. We also have to know what we're looking for.
Right, exactly. Mm-hmm. All right, great. Well, thank you so much for coming today. We really appreciate it.
All right.